This is the story of a very special space rock that came from Mars all the way to Earth, and a rare dinosaur skeleton that surprised everyone. Mars is a planet just like Earth. It is the fourth planet in our solar system. It looks red, so people call it the red planet. Sometimes pieces of rock break off from planets or asteroids and travel through space. If one of these rocks falls to Earth, it is called a meteorite. This time, this meteorite came from Mars after a huge asteroid hit Mars long ago. 5 million years ago, something big happened on Mars, which is the red planet in our solar system. A huge asteroid crashed into Mars with a powerful blast. That explosion was so strong that it broke off a piece of Mars and threw it far into space. This piece of rock started a super long space journey, that is 140 million miles. That's like going around the Earth more than 5,000 times. After traveling for millions of years, the rock finally fell onto Earth. In November 2023, a person called a meteorite hunter was searching in the Sahara Desert in a country called Nigeria in Africa. That's where they found space rock. Scientists named it NWA 16788. A small piece of the rock was sent to a science museum in Shanghai, China. After many tests, scientists were amazed. They found that this rock really came from Mars. This rock weighed 54 pounds, that is like carrying a 25 kg of books. It is the biggest piece of Mars ever found on Earth, as it entered Earth's sky and started melting on the outside. That's made a fusion crust. Because of this, a dark outer layer formed that proves it came from space. Inside, the rock has special minerals like pyroxene, olivine, and muskelnite. These are found in Martian volcanoes, and they tell us the rock was formed slowly from lava on Mars millions of years ago. In July 2025, the rock was shown at Sotheby's, a big auction house in New York, where people can buy rare items. The rock was sold for $2 to $4 million, that is more than 15 crore rupees. Scientists giving different opinions. Some scientists felt sad. They wanted the rock to go to a museum, so kids and families can see and learn from it. Others said that even if someone buys it, scientists can still study it. We don't know who bought the rock, so we are not sure what will happen onto it. One thing's for sure, this is not just any rock. It is a real piece of Mars, and its story is amazing. From volcanoes on Mars to a desert in Africa, from space travel to New York City, this rock has been on a wild ride. But a dinosaur skeleton stole the show. Before we jump into the jaw-dropping story, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting update. Now let's get into the big headline. The real drama in the auction wasn't just about space rocks or rare collectibles. It was all about a juvenile Ceratosaurus nasichronis dinosaur skeleton, because it is the just four known in the entire world and the only young specimen ever discovered. Bidding started hot with an early offer of $6 million, and then things went wild. 6 bidders fought fiercely for 6 intense minutes until the hammer finally dropped at a staggering $26 million. That makes it the third most expensive dinosaur skeleton ever sold in history. But the big question is, why this dinosaur so special? Well, here is the answer. It was discovered in 1996 near Laramie, Wyoming in USA. This ancient predator was carefully reassembled using 140 bones measuring over 6 feet tall and nearly 11 feet long, and also belongs to Jurassic period, that is over 50 million years ago. Bidder doesn't plan to keep it locked away. He is going to loan it to a museum or an institution so the public and the future generation can admire this prehistoric marvel too. Okay, bye, stay tuned.